What makes you Indian? Is it just your birthplace or something deeper? In a country as diverse and democratic as India, the idea of citizenship is not just a legal label, it's an emotional identity and sometimes a political battleground. From the headlines on CAA, protests to debates on NRC and illegal immigration, this topic is not just in your books, it's unfolding in real time. Let's decode this high weightage topic with concepts, current events, and UPSC questions you can't ignore. Citizenship gives you the right to vote, the right to contest elections, and protections under the Constitution. It distinguishes a civilian from a foreigner. India follows a single citizenship system, unlike the US. There's no concept of state citizenship here. Articles 5 to 11, Part 2 of the Constitution, the Citizenship Act of 1955. It is also influenced by key events like partition, the Assam Accord 1985, and most recently, the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Let's go back to January 26, 1950, the day our Constitution came into force. Who was considered an Indian citizen then? Article 5, Citizenship by domicile. Article 6, Migrants from Pakistan. Article 7, excluded those who migrated to Pakistan but returned later. Article 8, people of Indian origin living abroad. Article 9, no dual citizenship. Article 10, citizenship continues unless changed by law. Article 11, empowers Parliament to legislate citizenship law. These were transitional provisions. They do not apply to citizenship today. Now let's come to the real deal, the Citizenship Act 1955. This is what determines how you acquire or lose citizenship today. 5 ways to acquire citizenship. First, by birth. Second, by descent. Third, by registration. Fourth, by naturalization. Fifth, by incorporation of territory. For example, Goa in 1961, Sikkim in 1975. Citizenship can be lost by renunciation, termination, deprivation if acquired by fraud or disloyalty. Prelim 2019. Which of the following categories of persons are eligible for Indian citizenship under the Act? Let's look at how this law has evolved and exploded into public debate. 1986 Amendment. Citizenship by birth made more restrictive. 2003 Amendment introduced Overseas Citizen of India OCI. 2019 the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA grants citizenship to non-Muslim minorities from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan. Cutoff date 31st December 2014. Excludes Muslims. Sparking protests in Assam, Delhi, UP. Linked with NRC, National Register of Citizens in Assam. Debate over religious discrimination and Article 14 equality. Current affairs link Manipur crisis and the demand for ILP, inner line permit, revived concerns on citizenship rights and indigenous identity. Mains 2020 question discuss the issues surrounding citizenship and the CAA in light of secularism and constitutional morality. Citizenship isn't just legal, it's been tested in the courts too. Beruberi Union Case 1960. Citizenship and territory transfer require constitutional amendment, not just a treaty. Sarbanda Sonawal versus Union of India 2005. Massive illegal immigration equals to external aggression poses threat to identity in Assam. Prelims 2020. Which of the following Supreme court cases deal with citizenship issues. How do we treat Indians who live abroad? OCI, Overseas Citizen of India. Lifelong visa, can own property, no voting rights or government jobs, no full citizens. PIO merged into OCI in 2015. Example, Indian origin tech CEOs abroad are OCIs but cannot vote on contest elections. 2021. Which of the following is true about the CAA 2019? Is India's citizenship policy inclusive or exclusionary? Discuss in light of CAA and NRC. Recap. Articles 5 to 11, Transitional Citizenship Act 1955, 5 Acquisition plus 3 Laws, CAA, NRC, and Protests, OCI and PIO differences, key judgments. Citizenship isn't just a chapter in your syllabus, it's a test of the Constitution's promise. In a world of shifting borders and identities, the idea of citizenship is both empowering and contested. If this topic helped you prepare, share it with your UPSC group. Comment below. I am an informed citizen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more lessons like this. Crack UPSC, decode, learn, conquer.